Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back with me. In this video, I wanna talk about Industry 4.0. What is Industry 4.0? So check this out. Industry 4.0 refers to a new phase in the industrial revolution that focus heavily on interconnectivity, automation, machine learning, and real-time data. Industry 4.0, also sometimes referred to as IoT or smart manufacturing, marries physical production and operations with smart digital technology, machine learning, and big data to create a more holistic and better connected ecosystem for companies that focus on manufacturing and supply chain management. Well, every company and organization operating today is different. They all face a common challenge: the need for connected and access to real-time insight across process, partners, products, and people. That's where Industry 4.0 comes into play. Uh, Industry 4.0 isn't just about investing in new technology and tools to improve manufacturing efficiency. It's about revolutioning the way your entire business operates and grows. This research will provide you with an in-depth interview, depth overview on the topic of Industry 4.0 and IoT, including information on the following: A. The evolution of industry from 1.0 to 4.0. B. Basic IoT concept and glossary of terms. C. Smart manufacturing use case. D. Whom is Industry 4.0 for? E. Benefits of adopting an Industry 4.0 model. F. Challenge to consider and overcome. And G. How Epicor can help your business. The world of manufacturing is changing. To survive and thrive now, you have to be willing to invest in Industry 4.0. A. Evolution of Industry from 1.0 to 4.0. Before digging too much deeper into the what, why, and how of Industry 4.0, it's beneficial to first understand how exactly manufacturing has evolved since uh, since the 1800s. There are four distinct industrial revolutions that the world either has experienced or continues to experience today. The first industrial revolution, or Industry 1.0. The first industrial revolution happened between the late 1700s and earlier 1800s. During this period of time, manufacturing evolved from focusing on manual labor performed by people and made by work animals to a more optimized from labor performed by people through the use of water and steam powered engines and other types of machine tools. The second industrial revolution, or Industry 2.0. In the earlier part of the 20th century, the world entered a second industrial revolution with the introduction of steel and use of electricity in factories. The introduction of electricity enabled factories to increase efficiency and help make factory machinery more mobile. It was during this phase that mass production concepts like the assembly line were introduced as a way to boost productivity. The third industrial revolution, or Industry 3.0, starting in the late one starting in the late 1915s, a third industrial revolution slowly began to emerge. As manufacturers began incorporating more electric and eventually computer technology into their factories. During this period, manufacturers began experiencing a shift that put less emphasis on analog and mechanical technology and more on digital technology and information software. And last, the fourth industrial revolution, or Industry 4.0. In the past few decades, fourth industrial revolution has emerged, known as Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 takes the emphasis on digital technology from recent decade to a whole new level with the help of interconnectivity through the Internet of Things, or IoT. Access to access to real-time data and the introduction of cyber-physical systems. Industry 4.0 offers a more comprehensive, interlinked, and holistic approach to manufacturing. It connects physical with digital and allows for better collaboration and access across departments, partners, vendors, product, and people. Industry 4.0 empowers business owners to better control and understand every aspect of their operation and allows them to leverage instant data to boost productivity, improve process, and drive growth. D. Basic IoT concept and glossary of terms. There are hundreds of concepts and terms that relate to IoT and Industry 4.0, but here are 12 foundational words and phrases to know before you decide whether you want to invest in Industry 4.0 solution for your business. First is enterprise resource planning. or ERP. Business process management tools that can be used to manage information across an organization. Next is IoT. IoT, stand, IoT stands for Internet of Things, a concept that refers to connections between physical objects like sensors or machines and the Internet. Next is IIoT. IIoT stands for the Industrial Internet of Things, the concept that refers to the connections between people, data, and machines as they relate to manufacturing. Next is Big Data. Big data refers to large sets of structured or unstructured data that can be complete, stored, and organized, and analyzed to reveal patterns, trends, associations, and opportunities. Next is artificial intelligence or AI. Artificial intelligence is a concept that refers to a computer's ability to perform tasks and make decisions that would historically require some level of human intelligence. Next is M2M. This stands for machine to machine and refers to the communication that happens between two separate machines through wireless or wired networks. Dicti, dicti, Next is digination. Digination refers to the process of collecting and converting different types of information into a digital format. Next point is smart factory. A smart factory is one that invests in the leverage Industry 4.0 technology, solution, and approach. Next is machine learning. Machine learning refers to the ability that computers have to learn and improve on their own through artificial intelligence without being explicitly told or programmed to do so. Okay, next level. Next point is cloud computing. Cloud computing refers to the practice of using interconnect remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage, and process information. Next point is real-time data processing. Real-time data processing refers to the abilities of computer system and machine to connect continuously and automatically process data and provide real-time or near-time outputs and insight. Next is ecosystem. An ecosystem in terms of manufacturing refers to the potential connectedness of your entire operation. Inventory and planning, financials, customer relationship, supply chain management, and manufacturing execution. Last point is cyber physical system or CPS. Cyber physical systems, also sometimes known known as cyber manufacturing, refers to an Industry 4.0 enable factoring environment that offers real-time data collection, analysis, and transparency across every aspect of a manufacturing operation. So now that you have a better understanding of some of the core concepts related to Industry 4.0, you are ready to dig deeper into how smart manufacturing can revolutionize the way you run and grow your business. C. Smart manufacturing use case. One of the best ways to understand the concept of smart manufacturing better is to think about how it could be applied to your business or business similar to your business. Here are three use cases that can help you understand the value of Industry 4.0 in a manufacturing operation. First, supply chain management and optimization. Industry 4.0 solutions give business greater insight, control, and data visibility across their entire supply chain. By leveraging supply chain management capabilities, companies can deliver products and service to market faster, cheaper, and with better quality to gain an advantage over less efficient competitors. Second, predictive maintenance or analytics. Industry 4.0 solutions give manufacturers the ability to predict when potential problems are going to arise before they actually happen. Without IoT system in place at your factory, preventive uh, maintenance happens based on routine or time. In other words, it's a manual task. With IoT system in place, preventive maintenance is much more uh, automated and streamlined. System can sense when problems are arising or machinery needs to be fixed, and can to empower empower you to solve potential issue before they become bigger problems. Predictive analytics allow companies to not just ask reactive questions like "What has happened?" or "Why did it happen?" but also protective questions like "What is going to happen?" and "What can we do to prevent it more happening?" These types of analytics can enable factories to pivot from preventive maintenance to predictive maintenance. Third and last is asset tracking and optimization. Industry 4.0 solutions help manufacturers become more efficient with assets at each stage of the supply chain, allowing them to keep a better pulse to inventory, quality, and optimization opportunities relating to logistics. With IoT in place at a factory, employees can get better visibility work, uh, into their assets worldwide. Standard asset management tasks such as asset transfers, transfers, disposals, reclassification, and adjustments can be streamlined and managed centrally and in real time. The point of reviewing this use case is to help you image and start thinking about how smart manufacturing could be integrate your own organization. D. Who is Industry 4.0 right for? How do you know when or if your business should invest in Industry 4.0? If you are able, if you are able to check off most of the items on this list, it's probably safe to start evalu- evaluate, evaluating Industry 4.0 technology and solutions providers and allocating the research needed for deployment. First, you are in a particularly com- competitive industry with a lot of tech savvy players. Next, you are having a hard time recruiting to fill vacant jobs at your organization. Next, you want better visibility across your supply chain. Next, you want to identify and address issues before they become bigger problems. Next, you want to boost efficiency and profitability across your entire organization. Next point, you want everyone on your business team to have informed, up-to-date, relevant views of production, and business process. Next point, you want richer and more timely analytics. Next point, you need help digitizing and making sense of information. Next point, you want to improve customer satisfaction and customer experience. Next, you want to improve product quality or keep product quality intact. Next, we want to more integrated enterprise research planning system that spans or spans not only inventory and planning, but also financial, customer relationship, supply chain management, and manufacturing execution. Next, you want consistent and flexible view of production and business operation tailored to specific areas or users in your organization. And last point is you want real-time insight that help you make better, faster decision about your business each day. E. Benefits of adopting an Industry 4.0 4.0 model. Industry 4.0 spans the entire product life cycle and supply chain: design, sales, inventory, scheduling, quality, engineering, and customer and field service. Everyone shares informed, up-to-date, relevant views of production and business process, and much richer and more timely analysis. Here is a quick, non-exhaustive list of some of the benefits of adopting an Industry 4.0 model for your business. First, it makes you more competitive, especially against disruptors like Amazon and companies like Amazon continue to optimize logistics and supply chain management. You need to be investing in technology and solutions that help to have uh, solutions that help you improve and optimize your own operation. To stay competitive, you have to have the systems and process in place to allow you to provide the same level of service or better to your customers and clients that they could be getting from a company like Amazon. Second, it makes you more attractive to the uh, younger workforce. Companies that invest in modern, innovative Industry 4.0 technologies are better positioned to attract and retain new workers. Third, it makes your team stronger and more collaborative. Companies that invest in Industry 4.0 solutions can increase efficiency, boost collaboration between departments, enable predictive and prescriptive analytics, and allow people, including operators, managers, and executives, to more fully leverage real-time data and intelligence to make better decisions while managing their day-to-day responsibilities. Fourth, it allows you to address potential issues before they become big problems. Predictive analytics, real-time data, internet-connected machinery, and automation can all help you be more proactive when it comes to addressing and solving potential maintenance and supply chain management issues. Fifth and last, it allows you to trim costs, boost profit, and fuel growth. Industry 4.0 technology helps you manage and optimize all aspects of your manufacturing process and supply chain. It gives you access to the real-time data and insight you need to make smart, smarter, faster decisions about your business, which can automatically boost the effect, efficiency and profitability of your entire operation. F. Challenge to consider and overcome. As you consider whether or not to invest in Industry 4.0, you may be thinking about some of the potential challenges associated with incorporating new technology and process to your organization. You are not alone. Here are some of the most common questions that most business owners think about when it comes to smart manufacturing. Questions 1. Will our business data and customer information be safe? As the threat of cyber hacking continues to intensify each year, many businesses are worried that investing in cloud-based technology and moving data out from behind their own walls will leave their business and data vulnerably to attackers. Epicor keeps information safe and secure by leveraging deep security experience and deploying stringent cybersecurity measures for all customers that invest in Industry 4.0 technology. Question 2. Will I be able to get support from my team? The short answer to this question is yes. While implementing new technology and a new business model can be hard for some people to accept and adopt. You can ultimately get support from your team by clearly setting expectation upfront, stating the purpose and benefits of investing in Industry 4.0 technology, and being open and transparent with your team throughout the entire implementation process. Question 3. Do we have the research and staff to implement and manage this technology? When you invest in cloud-based technology, you don't have to rely so heavily on your IT team to manage and maintain system. Instead, you benefits from regular updates and maintenance performed by the service provider. For example, to avoid the ongoing implementation and upgrade challenge, ERP has historically presented. Some companies are choosing cloud-based ERP or uh, software as a service, or SaaS. As with cloud storage, the cloud ERP provider assumes the cost otherwise borne by IT to build and maintain infrastructure. A cloud-based ERP system provides all of the benefits of ERP without requiring dedicated IT infrastructure or staff, and frees those resources to be used in other IT tasks. Question 4. Will I know how to leverage data to make more informed decisions? This is last question. And the answer is yes. Epicor can provide you the knowledge, training, and documentation you need to understand how to use data to change, improve, and grow your business. G. How Epicor can help your business? Epicor can help you implement Industry 4.0 technology into your manufacturing business. They provide flexible, industry-specific software that is designed around the needs of our manufacturing, distribution, retail, and service industry customers. So guys, that's all from me talks about Industry 4.0. I hope you get benefits from this video. See you in the next video, and as word, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.